Number 8. William Shakespeare completely transformed the English language, and it had been a dialect much closer to that spoken in Chaucer's day until the famous playwright came along. So, if we look at A, William Shakespeare completely transformed. So Shakespeare is in the past, transformed is past tense. So that is totally fine. So A is out. Then we get to B. William Shakespeare completely transformed the English language, and it had been a dialect much closer to that spoken in Chaucer's day. Now, and it had been. You might have read that and thought to yourself that something's wrong, and that's a really good thing. You might not know what it is, so if you want, we can leave it in, come back to it, and just make sure that all the other parts of the sentence are correct. So leave B in. C says, is a dialect much closer to that spoken. So this is a comparison, and it's actually a correct comparison because it's a dialect much closer to that spoken in Chaucer's day. The word that is implying that it's comparing the dialect to the dialect spoken in Chaucer's day. So C is also fine. And then you get to D, which says, in Chaucer's day, until the famous playwright came along. Came along is in past tense, so this agrees with all of the other verbs in the sentence, so that's out. But B is incorrect here because and it had been a dialect much closer to that spoken in Chaucer's day is not the proper tense. It's also not a great connector using and. So we need something like until. So B in this case is our answer.